Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. There is this spot in Tarzana that I love going to. It's called Gasolina Cafe, and they have this delicious, absolutely amazing open face salmon sandwich. So I decided to recreate that here at home. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, keep on watching.
Please subscribe and click on the bell. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Dress your greens with olive oil and lemon. Season this with salt and pepper and toss until well combined. For the herb cheese, add your chives and thyme to your room temperature goat cheese and mix. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Time to poach the egg. Create a vortex. Add vinegar and slowly drop in your egg. While waiting, toast your bread and then smear the herb cheese all over it. Top it with the greens and the smoked salmon. Squeeze some lemon on top of the salmon and slowly add your egg.
Add a little bit of pepper, salt, and that is it. All right, you guys, now it's time to taste this. I am so excited. Now let's go ahead and cut this yolk. Ooh, look at that. Yes. So delicious. All right, I'm excited to taste this, so let's go. That is so bomb. The bread is nicely toasted. I like the way the goat cheese has a little tartness against the smoked salmon. And the egg is perfectly runny. The mixed greens are seasoned perfectly. You can use arugula, but I only had mixed greens. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so delicious, and I hope you guys try this. Please check out my website for the recipe on this, and if you do recreate this, please don't forget to tag me and hashtag Ivy's Kitchen, because I love hearing from you guys, and why not share the love of my recipes with others. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time, happy cooking. One more bite, yeah? Here we go. So good.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.